Welcome to the session of Building Intelligent Apps on Azure Container Apps with Launching4z. Today, let me introduce myself. I'm Jialuo Gan, the Product Manager from Java on Azure Tooling, Developer Division, China. Today, I also invite my partner Jianguo to join this session. So Jianguo, could you please introduce yourself a little bit?
Sure. I'm a software engineer, and I'm working on Java on Azure. I'm glad to join today's session.
Thanks, Jianguo. Today, I will show you how to set up, deploy, and integrate Azure OpenAI services into a Java application and deploy them to Azure Container Apps together with my partner Jianguo. So get started. Let me give you a quick demo first to help you understand what we are building. As you can see from my screen now, and here, we will build an Azure OpenAI applications that uses the OpenAI services in order to analyze and forecast the weather based on historical data. And after it has been successfully deployed, I could ask some questions to test it. Let me ask the question, how is the weather there on August 2023? As you can see that from the historical data, the August at that time will be warm with hot temperatures and with no rainfall anymore. And let me ask another question. As you can see, it indicates that it will rain, but the amount of the precipitation is relatively low. That will be the demo. In the next session, we will talk about more on the Azure Container Apps, as well as Jianguo will share the sample code with the Launching4z. As you may know, the Azure Container Apps is a serverless container services which will be designed for developers. It also offers a variety of features, including the managed DevOps, seamless scaling, quick delivery with pre-built components, as well as the robust security and cost-effective compute usages. And today, we will build this project and deploy it to Azure Container Apps, and we will show how to you build and deploy these intelligent apps to Azure Container Apps quickly in the next steps. So, Jianguo, let's take my turn for you.
Yeah. So this slide shows the the overview on how simple intelligent app is built with the Launching4z library to answer the question like the weather in Paris. To wrap up, so the app leverage Launching4z library to communicate with the backend large language model. Here we use the Azure OpenAI. So as you may know, Launching4z is a very popular framework that developers can use to build the AI app, so it can communicate with different large language models. For example, ChatGPT, Azure OpenAI, and so on. So in our demo, when a specific question related to like the weather sent to the backend large language model, the Launching4z will carry the user's question along with the context injected to the backend large language model. So here, as you can see in the code snippet annotated with the system message, you can see the weather history is included. The AI can exactly answer the weather-related questions about Paris. And if you ask any questions has no relationship with the history data, the AI won't give you an answer. So this is how you can define the system message and represent as a context. And for user's question, in the code, it actually is represented as user message. So as you can see, it's quite easy for developer to develop an AI awareness app using Qualcomm's Launching4z extension. If you are interested in this framework, you can learn more from the links in the slide. That's it. Thank you, Jialu.
Yeah, thanks, Jianguo. Get started. Let's move into the existing part with this demo. As you can see from my screen side, to run this project, there are a number of the required tools specified in the pre-executive section of this repository. You need to install the Java JDK, the Maven, the Azure command line, as well as some other tools. You can find more details with this GitHub page. After everything is settled down, we can open this project in my IDE, and we also need to create resources in Azure. You can create those resources from the Azure portal, the command line, the Bytes app, and in today's demo, I would like to create everything directly from using the Azure Toolkit for IntelliJ IDEA. So first, let me show you how to set up an Azure OpenAI services. So here, just right-click the Azure OpenAI root node and create a new Azure OpenAI services. Click OK to continue. And after that, right-click the Azure OpenAI services you want to use to create a new deployment. For this project, remember that we will use the GPT-35 Turbo 16K, and here we will configure the name. And we could use the same name as well as the model and click OK to continue. For next step, I will show you how to create a container apps environment as well as these resources. First, we need to create the container apps environment first. So just right-click this one and select this one. And here, we just click OK to continue. To save time, I will use an existing one. And here, we just choose this one and to create the container apps and deploy the pre-built image to it. And here, we just specify the name with this, the AI Weather applications. We will use a container image from the pre-built public registry. And also here, we will open the ingress and external traffic to make it enable. And we will open the target port from the 8080. In addition, here we will also specify the environment variables to communicate the container apps as well as the OpenAI services instance. You can visit the GitHub page to find some more details for the configuration. And here we will also need to open the main replicas and click OK to continue and finish the deployment process. After everything is done, we could just click the deployed applications and open in browser. As you can see that it has been successfully deployed, and we could also ask questions as shown in the getting started process. Hi everyone, thanks for joining our today's session. If you want to learn more about Azure Container Apps, you could just click this short link. It will get you to deploy a Java artifact file to Azure Container Apps quickly. And also, if you are interested in Azure Toolkit IntelliJ, you could just click this download page to try it easily. And also, you can find more details in the documentation as well as in our monthly dev blogs. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.